Do you wish that you could eat grilled food all year round, but you live in a climate where it's not necessarily grilling weather all year round? In this video, I'm going to show you how to grill a steak on the stovetop like a master griller. Hello and welcome to Haven's Kitchen. My name's Allie and today I'm going to help you grill on the stovetop. Our channel is all about sharing our passion for cooking with you and empowering you to feel really confident and joyful cooking in your own kitchen. There are a few steps to getting really nicely grilled steak inside without an outdoor grill. First, you need to choose steak that isn't too thick. The thicker the steak, the longer it's going to take to cook, and that's going to make it kind of smoky in your house. The second step to grilling steak indoors is to get a really good indoor grill pan. You want to make sure this is super hot before you put the steak on it. Something else you want to keep in mind when you're grilling steak indoors is to temper the steak first. That means taking it out of the refrigerator and letting it sit on the counter at room temperature for about a half an hour. You also want to make sure that you get your grill pan really hot before you put your steak down, and don't touch it for at least 3 to 4 minutes before you flip it. That's going to make sure that you get really good sear marks. If you're going to be cooking a thicker cut of meat, what you want to do is, whether you're using a grill pan or just a cast iron to get a nice sear on it, you want to sear both sides of the steak for about 4 minutes. The steak will flip really easily once it has a good sear, like a good crust on it. It's not going to want to move if it's not totally seared. That's when you know to flip. So after about 4 minutes on each side, if the middle of the steak isn't cooked through, you're going to want to put it into a preheated oven at like 400, 450 until the internal temp of the steak reads about 140 degrees. Thanks for watching this video on how to grill the perfect steak at home. We hope you found it helpful, that you've learned a couple things and you're inspired to grill at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips, tricks, and recipes.